Hey guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. So I uploaded a video a year ago, to be exact 1 year and 2 months. So naglagay lang ako dito guys ng $100. And so far, eto na guys yung aking earnings. Alright, so I only have one contract na active and it's for 3 years. So ito guys ay nag-risk lang ako ng $100 kasi nung nakita ko to, trending ito no sa Facebook and sa YouTube din last year. So, yung total ng aking staking, ayan, 30,000. So, yung profit ko na so far is 6,775, which is, okay, for the last whole month, $951 guys, for just $100 na kapital na nilagay ko dito. So, kumbaga, nakaka 22.4% na siya. Alright, so para siyang ano kasi, mag-ano ka dito, maglo-loan ka, no? And yung $100 mo na yun, so meron ditong mga options. Ayan, DeFi staking. So, since ito yung pinaka long-term staking project na nasalihan ko, and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys, okay? Actually, I uploaded a video here. Ayan, 2 video. And this is 1 year ago. Actually, it's 1 year and 2 months now. Ayan, and so i-review natin ng konti para dun sa mga naghahanap ng long-term na passive income. So, ito guys yung $100 nyo lang yung i-risk nyo dito. It's like deposit and forget and then come back after 3 years. Okay? So, good news, ayan, open pa no, yung 3 years na contract. So, yung 2 years staking program is already closed. Okay? So, yung 3 years and then yung 5 years, 7 years, tapos meron ditong 10 years no na staking. So mas malaki dito guys. Okay? So para lang tayong magre-risk ng like 5,800 pesos and ito yung magiging kapalit. So yun nga, sabi ko nga nag-invest lang ako ng $100 dito and I forget about it. Okay? So meron extra $30. Merong nag-sign up no. Nag-upload kasi ako ng video dito and yun, after that, hindi ko na siya naulit na i-update. So, I have lots of videos here, a lot of projects na sinalihan, at hindi ko na na-update no, yung Cryptex account natin. So, nakakagulat lang, naalala ko lang kasi one of my leaders international ay kinontak ako and then, yun nga, sabi nga niya, ito daw yung the best project na nasalihan namin. So, of course, I'm really get hyped on this one kasi yun nga nakakita ko ng mga thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars guys. That's 1 year ago. So, ang Bitcoin that time is hindi pa ganito kalaki, hindi pa ganito kamahal. So, ayun nga, ang kinagandahan dito no sa pag-staking ng cryptocurrency is tumataas talaga yung value niya. So, it's not about shitcoin guys, it's about Bitcoin. Okay? So, pwede tayong maglagay dito ng $100. It's like decentralized finance. Ayan. No one owns it. Okay? Meron lang nag-create ng project na to. And I heard guys based on my research, kaya ako na pa-join dito, since 2016 pa yata. Okay? Existing na si Cryptex. And, so, syempre, kung nag-start siya ng 2016, it means there are only 2 years, 3 years, no? Ibig sabihin, may mga nag-earn na, may mga naka-withdraw na. So, titignan natin ngayon yung blockchain transactions nung project na to. And, yun nga, na-amaze ako kasi talagang may mga in and out, super active yung blockchain. Okay? So, ilo-locate natin, i-check natin para makita natin kung gaano ka-reliable. But of course, again, there's no 100% guaranteed. But end of the day, $100 is just like 5,800 pesos na i-risk mo dito. And then habang busy tayo sa ibang projects, nag-earn siya every day. Okay, katulad nga nitong ginawa ko, no, tignan natin yung ayan, deposit overview para makita natin kung kailan ba ako nag-start sa project nito. So, ayan, October 29, 2023. Okay? So, ang ininvest ko lang dito is just 102 in US dito guys I think ang ginamit kong payment method dito is BCH. Okay? Hindi ko na maalala pero nandito naman kasi yung deposit history natin. Basta ang nilabas ko lang is 102 and 100 lang siya talaga actually Tapos may sumobrang 2.31. Nagpasobra lang ako kasi just in case na merong mga fees, 'di ba? So, yung $2 na 'yon, nandito pa rin sa dashboard. Okay, balikan natin yung dashboard. So, plus 82.31 USD. So, let's check. Okay, funds available. Hold on. So, kanina lang 30 lang 'to, 'di ba? Meron sigurong pumasok. So, ayan, may referral reward. Nadagdagan yung aking referral reward. Okay, just today. Kay kanina, ano lang yan. Naka $30 lang yun nandyan. So, ayan, nagiging active, no, yung account ko dito. So, it means may mga nagsa-sign up at merong mga nagde-deposit. So, ito yung last profit. So, tingnan natin. Ito guys, by the way, yung magiging loan natin, pinahiram sa atin ni Cryptex. Okay? Nakaka-excite talaga siya kasi how many $100 na yung na-loss natin, no, sa mga other projects. So, glad at nilagay ko dito yung isang $100 ko. And yun nga, sayang, sana dinamihan ko pa. Kasi you can have multiple you can have multiple deposits or DeFi staking account here. Ayan. Ako isa lang, 'di ba? Ayan, one DeFi hybrid contracts. Pero yung international leader na yun nga, friend ko sa Telegram, meron siyang 8 na accounts dito. So, grabe, nasa 300,000 na. Okay? And in just few months lang yata, makakapag-withdraw na siya. Okay? So, actually, pwede kong i-withdraw tong $80 na to. But, I think, i-reinvest ko siya. Gusto kong mag-add ng staking. Okay? Gusto kong mag-add ng account. So, tingnan natin guys yung referrals. Ayan, may mga referrals ako dito actually na, ayan, tingnan natin, may downline. So, marami nag-sign up dito. Okay? Ayan, your downline is less than 50 active referrals. Hold on. Overview natin sa referrals. Actually, hindi ko naman kasi siya pinush hard, no, yung project na to. Nag-upload lang ako dito and then after that, iniwan ko na siya, nakalimutan ko na siya. Kasi na-busy tayo dun sa mga other projects. So, I have 30 total referrals. Ayan. And sa level 1 ko, there are 25. Then, level 2, level 2 up to 20 is there are 5 referrals. Tapos, meron lang akong 5 na active na referrals dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, overview income total. Hindi ko pa maintindihan to guys pero ayan, inaaral ko pa. I just want to share with you kasi ayokong manghinayang. Kasi maraming mga nagjo-join no, sa mga projects natin. Okay? Like yung mga previous staking natin. So, yung mga yun is side hustles lang naman. So, ang mabilisan kasi yun eh. So, yung mga recent projects natin sa staking, yun, may mga contract tayo na mga 50 days lang, something like that. So, ito guys is for years yung bibilangin. So, pinakamaiksi ngayon na available is yung 3 years. Pero, ang laki guys, ang laki talaga. No? So, tingnan natin yung wallet ni Cryptex. So, kukunin ko yan dito sa aking friend from the US, ayan. Tingnan mo, grabe guys, oh. He has 380,000 na, reward from, ayan, profit niya is 88,000. And then, yung rewards referral staking niya is 292,000. So, I think nag-ano siya dito, ang tawag doon, nagko-compounding. So, he said meron siyang 8 accounts. Ayan, tignan natin yung wallet address para makita natin yung transactions kung gaano ka-reliable. So, blockchain. Ito tayo sa Blockchain Explorer. Bitcoin Tracker. Yan, dito natin ipipaste. Yan, para din siyang polygon scan. Okay, tingnan natin guys, grabe. So, ayan, dito tayo sa BTC transactions. Ito guys. So, there is, ayan, 399 na Bitcoin balance sa wallet ni Cryptex. Okay? Tapos, ito guys, ayan, merong outgoing transaction. Ayan, very live ito guys. And how much? Let's see. 24 BTC guys. Look at that. Okay? So, ayan, ito yung mga blockchain transactions. And then, hindi lang yun guys. Ayan, December 27, outgoing. Ayan, 28. Tapos, December 27, ito yung um, yeah, papasok, no? Receiving. So, ayan, December 27, 27. Ayan. So, very active yung account na to, guys. Grabe, oh. 27 lahat. Puro, ano yan. Puro recent. So, ito, December 26, 2024. So, guys, very active. There are transactions, in and out transactions from this account. And walang nagmamanipulate nito, guys, ha. Hindi to kayang i-manipulate. Okay? This is real-time transactions. This is about blockchain. Okay? Yeah, dito ako sobrang na-excite. So, ibig sabihin, since 2016, nagpe-payout na to. Okay? So, ang take ko kasi dito is, yun nga, tumataas yung BTC, 'di ba? So, pag may mga nag-invest sa kanila, na ini-invest nila in BTC, okay? So, kaya nilang i-sustain yung payouts ng mga nag-invest dito. Kasi since 2016, gaano kamura ang Bitcoin, 'di ba? Compare sa ngayon. So, anong contract natin is 3 years. So, can you imagine last year, magkano lang ang BTC na nasa ano yan, naglalaro sa 22,000 per Bitcoin. And look how much is Bitcoin today. Inaabot na siya ng 107,000 per Bitcoin. So, nag-accumulate sila doon through holding those Bitcoins. So, pag pumayout sila, in USDT naman yun, yung payout natin, but we're gonna receive our payout in BTC. So, ito yung chance natin to earn Bitcoin. Okay? So, again, if you have extra $100, you can have one account here, ayan, in 3 years. Yeah, parang ano siya, stake and forget mo na siya, balikan mo na lang after 3 years. So, look what happened to my account, right? I have 142 available wallet balance. So, someone is staking, someone is accumulating their accounts here. Ayan, live ako na nag-video nito, nadadagdagan yung referrals ko, di ba? So, ayan, no? People are rushing, okay, na nag-stake sila, bumibili sila ng mga accounts dito, nag-activate sila ng contract. So, that's great news, guys. Okay? Ayan, I have only one. So, pwede pala akong bumili, no, ng another one account here. So, let's try to do that. Okay. So, ganito yan. Punta tayo dito sa ayan, 3 years, apply DeFi hybrid contracts. Tingnan natin kung paano to gagawin. So, ayan, term is 36 months. Okay? Hybrid 36 pack. So, let's see. So, this will be locked for 36 months. This one is for 36 months as well. Pero, mas malaki to. 1,000 yung processing fee nito. This one is 100. Okay? One contract. Okay, so it's about the contract pala. So, pwede kang bumili ng 1,000. Meron kang free na 5 contracts, 'di ba? Kasi kung 100 ang isa, so 1,000, 10 contracts lang dapat to. Pero kung maglalagay ka ng 100 one time, 1,000, meron kang 15 contracts. Okay? And the activation is 1 to 3 days. So, ito palang isa na to is for 60 months. Okay? This one is 36 months lang. So, it's 3 years. Okay? Pero ito yung, kumbaga, ito yung promo nila na in $1,000 lang, imbes na 10 contracts yan, meron kang 15 contracts. So, guys, instant millionaires, no? Yung magkakaroon nito. Kung talagang pumipayout si Cryptex, which is since 2016, pumipayout talaga siya. At nakita naman natin yung blockchains, Block Explorer, okay, wherein ito natatrack natin yung mga transactions, ay merong in and out transactions. Alright? So, that's for the investors. Okay? And anong date na ngayon? Anong year na ngayon? 2025. So, ito, existing siya since 2016. Can you imagine? Napaka-reliable. Walang owners to, guys. Okay? So, ayan, let's, ito, tingnan natin dito. So, ito lang yung kaya kong bilhin. Kasi ito ay 1,000, no? So, tingnan natin. Start your staking. Okay, selected. So, continue to invest. Ayan. So, ito yung napili ko, 100, one contract for 36 months. Processing fee 100 will be debited from your Cryptex wallet. Future fees and interest will be automatically reduced from your rewards account. You have no further obligations and are not liable for any other costs or fees. You're present and warranted as an individual. You are 18 or legal age from a contract. So, let's confirm selected staking. Since I have already balanced na guys from my referral commissions nga. Alright, so bumawas na siya and I have two. Yan, meron na akong dalawang active na staking. So, this is good news for me. Okay? So, ayan, loan and staking pool, I have two. Okay? Ayan, so mag-start na ulit yung isang account ko today. So, it means, from today, December 27, 2024, so December 28 of 2027, maglalapse yung isang contract ko na to, which will give me, I think, how much? Nasa 38,000 US dollars, guys. Can you imagine that? So, and of course, mas good news yung isa kasi naka 1 year and 2 months na yan, yung isang contract ko. So, ibig sabihin, I still need 2 more years, less than 2 years. Tapos, mawi-withdraw ko na. So, napakaganda nung ito na meron kang hinihintay, no? Para ka lang naglagay sa bangko. Para ka lang, time deposit. So, ganun. Kaya, I decided to share this video today kasi nga, who knows, baka meron sa inyo na meron dyang extra $100. Why not, diba? Why not risk your $100 kung ang kapalit naman yan is millions? That's million in peso na, diba? Kasi, how much is 38,000? Actually, gusto ko pa tong aralin to give you more idea or further knowledge about this project. So, let's see, and aralin ko muna siya and I will upload separate video. I will upload a new video about this one. And, para mas ma-educate tayo, para mas malaman pa natin gaano ba ka-reliable or gaano ba kaganda mag-invest dito kay Cryptex. Alright, so, I showed you guys. And by the way, dun sa mga gustong mag-deposit din or mag-risk ng kanilang $100, okay? Dito lang yan, guys. Create your account. Okay? I will leave the link in the description. So, kung gusto niyo mag-sign up using my referral link, I appreciate that. Okay? I will earn some commissions from that. And of course, the idea or the opportunity na shinare ko sa inyo is yun yung maging thankful tayo kasi that $100 is wala lang yan kung tutuusin, kung ang kapalit naman is more than 1,000 times, diba? How much is $100 kung ang kapalit is sobrang laki naman, diba? So, yan, total stake balance ko is 67,000. Can you imagine? Pero $200 lang yun, diba? So, let's leave it to them kung paano nila pinag-grow yung ating pera, kung paano mag-grow yung pera natin dito. Pero ang nakikita ko is because, say for example, today, ang price ng BTC is nasa 97,000 to 100,000. Okay? After 3 years, can you imagine how much is that na? Diba? Kasi tumataas yung value ni Bitcoin. Okay? So, hindi rin ganun kalaki yung, kumbaga, win-win situation to. Diba? So, they are holding our money for us. Parang ganun. So, si Cryptex na yung bahalang mag-hold ng pera natin, mag-invest sa BTC, and then, nag-accumulate kasi yung value nun. 'Di ba? So, napakaganda ng naging idea ng project na to. So, alright, so I have 2 contracts already, and I'll keep you posted, guys. Okay? I'll keep you posted na lang, guys. So, that's it. And I hope na makita nyo to. Okay? And I hope maka-withdraw din tayo. So, this is the best project so far for me na long term. Okay? Powerful talaga yung staking kasi this is purely passive, no? Pwede nating ilagay dyan yung pera natin and then let it grow by itself. Okay? Kalimutan nyo muna for 3 years, which is ang bilis lang naman ng panahon, no? So, ako nga I almost forgot about this. Pero since glad I have my friend on Telegram who reminds me about this one. So, yun, nagulat pa ako kasi meron pumasok na mga fresh na referral commission. So, thank you guys dun sa mga nagsa-sign up. I don't know if you guys are Filipino or international. But, kasi nasa ano na siya, second level. So, ngayon, magkakaroon na tayo ng team dito na Pinoy for sure. Okay, so that's all guys for now for Cryptex. And I'll keep you posted. So, again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.